He was number 64. 64 was Andy Green. That's why he jumps him.
All right.
Open it if you need it.
What is that? That's a
Potatoes.
potato.
Only you need it, open it. Thank you.
Yep.
This and they had that play all set. It goes for 48. So watch, here's Burton. This is the player who's going to have to make a play because at the end he's going to come down. And you'll see Burrow holds the free safety for a second. And Burton just kicks up for him, and that's what he can do well. He doesn't have to play with that yet. But give us coach he's going to play. Put him in a position to do what he does best. Discussed it in the first half. Wrist and his ability to throw it like he used to. You got to find something else to talk about. Because that was a strike from 48. This little mishandle between Karras and the quarterback. That's what we talk about. If you can have that guy across from Chase, it'll make it harder to get it to him every time. You have to show them someone else can beat him. Stop against the corner. Josh Williams. That's what they want. Where are the tight ends? Let's get one of them. That's what Carrots. They're 10 from 23. That's what they are. Led by the second. 4 for 68. That's the running back. Short two. One outstanding job by Burrow. Everything is covered. There's nothing that's going to be open here. And Burrow goes to 1, 2, 3, steps up in the pocket, and then right here, he's going to definitely muscle his own. That would do Karras. Good job by Karras. A little Philly push. First and 10. Camp with the right guard. Getting up on Bolton right there. That's a good sign. Actually, I saw signs of life in that run game last week. They went 13 runs. Bengals, but they did kind of get it going after a little bit. It was like they can be a good running team. They got good first down. They saw positive signs. We're seeing more today. You saw Reed go out holding his hand. It's not great. It's not that good. There's signs and there's signs that Browns have first for one big game. Also complex it on that one. Raiders that his defense is out. They all changed last night. Still doing it. Next
Excuse me. Can I have some ice? You guys have water?
You can always ask. More time to call the player from the sides of the coast.
Thank you.
I want to measure you. You sure? Absolutely. Because I don't know.
And hot day.
Just had extra time as they came up with information about. You know that's a frustrating question for that too. Is that we just had extra 40 seconds to a minute. There's still, one of the first half too that was frustrating for Joe. That's when we were in the second half. There's no very strong possibility of a lead now.
What's up? Started things. I mean, he basically had a linebacker run the yards away, and you take the ball and you break the hole, and then you get to so first and goal. Remember how all started for you? Because he got injured and he stayed at Tills.
His first read was Chase, but McDuffie was on that. This is a rarity. It's one-on-one right here with Chase. That's why we're back. But they run with the numbers. And what a great job of coverage by McDuffie. He's going to be all pro this season.
been targeted 3 times in the end zone in this game.
He's number 80 on the outside. Raider. See how this? I'm doing
The good news, gets back, goes on the outside, and goes so much for basically near the top of the board. In this one, all last and 40 PAT attempts.
This is you, and this is your first hunch of the season.
It's parlay time.
With FanDuel, a 3-week free trial of NFL Sunday Ticket from YouTube TV will give you many more.
But no. It's Broncos time. I take the over.
And you can easily act on whichever one speaks to you.
Eagles, Browns, Broncos, Bills, they all.
And make every moment more.
New customers bet $5 get $200 in bonus bets. Plus, every customer gets a 3-week free trial of NFL Sunday Ticket from YouTube TV. Only from FanDuel, America's #1 sportsbook.
Is it me or is work not working? At least, not the way. The people who are very busy work, you might be thinking, can AI make this work? It can. With the ServiceNow platform, AI transforms your entire business. The people want better, the customers are happy on the charge. Well, it's practically euphoric. Practically. So, let's get to work.
Okay, trainees, let's work on fast and friendly train service.
Eyes on the phone now.
Alive, Drew.
Your repairs have been scheduled. Nice.
Yes, you're on the side.
That's it? Oh, I'm gonna turn this down to an A. My bad.
We can do this all day. Geico train service is 24/7. And a nice catch. Look at that road.
For savings and service, get more with Geico. With multi-view on an NFL Sunday Ticket, you can watch up to 4 live games at once, which means keeping your fantasy team